Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. It's Linda again. Nice seeing you again in my channel. You are highly welcome. Today we're gonna be talking about 2-ingredient mango ice cream. Only 2 ingredients, you arrange this delicious ice cream in your home. Just watch out to see how we can produce that. For this ice cream, we're gonna be needing only a mixing bowl, a hand mixer, 2 mangoes, and a heavy cream. A heavy whipped cream, that's it. We start by preparing the mangoes, scooping out the flesh from the skin to make a mango puree. Then we blend it through. Coming to the heavy cream, I made sure I left it in the fridge for more than 2 hours. That's when it will work well. You will have to leave it in the fridge to stay more than 2 hours before using it. So I introduced it into my mixing jar and whipped it through hard till it formed a heavy cream or a thick cream, which is gonna be our ice cream base. Now I introduce the mango puree into the heavy cream, whipped all together to make my mango ice cream, my 2 ingredients mango ice cream. The heavy cream is very low in calorie. It contains about 50% calorie. It is ideal for those going on keto, and it has no sweetener but has a very good taste of its own naturally. And coming to the mango, is very sweet naturally. We all know that mango is a sweet fruit, but its own sweetness is just the natural sugars. Therefore, there is no added sugar in this ice cream. It's just the sweetness from the mango and from the heavy cream. No added sweetener, no added flavor. So it is a full pack ice cream. When you are eating it, you know what you are eating. So mango is very rich in vitamin C, vitamin D, carotene, vitamin E, and all that. When combined together, you reap all the benefits from the mango and those from the heavy cream without adding much sugar and heavy calories into your system. Here, I packed the ice creams into airtight containers and get them into the freezer. Now I went ahead to prepare my fresh mango sprinkle or spray on the ice cream. So I scooped out the flesh as I did before and got them blended to serve as my sprinkle on the ice cream. After the ice cream must have gotten frozen, this can take hours depending on your freezer, but from 3 hours it gets well frozen. So I got it out and allow it to defreeze a bit to make it easier for scooping. Now when it gets easier for scooping, I put like 5 scoops of ice cream, 5 balls, and sprinkled it with my raw mango puree to make it more delicious. While licking your mango ice cream, you still enjoy your fresh mango. Very fresh. So guys, this is the end product of my 2 ingredients mango ice cream. It was quite delicious. The flavor of the mango superseded in it, and it was very tasty. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Ciao ciao.